In this video, I'm going to show you how to add inventory in QuickBooks Online. Now, the first thing you have to do is turn on inventory tracking. So to do this, go to the settings cogwheel top right, and then click on account and settings under your company. In here, you want to go to the sales menu over here on the left. And when you do that, scroll down to products and services. You want to click on the pen icon to edit this. And you want to make sure that this one where it says track inventory quantity on hand is actually enabled, okay? So turn it on, enable it so where it's green, and click on save. Whenever you do that, you can go back out of your settings and then click on the settings cogwheel yet again. And now from here, you want to go to the lists menu, which is over here. And what you want to click on is products and services, this one over here. So when you're in here, you'll be able to basically see your products and services, which by the way is under sales and get paid over here. And what you have to do is simply, of course, click on a new product slash service up top right. And then on here, you can basically click on inventory. So of course, it's going to add to your inventory. I'm going to do it like that. And then when you do this, you can give it a name, SKU, category, all the things like that, okay? And that's how you can essentially add inventory. So if I put in test like here, I'm going to just scroll down. As you can see, you can put all of this in. I'm not going to bore you with this right now. I'm just going to basically type in like initial quantity. I'm going to do like this, and today, there we go. Then I'm going to click on save and close. And there we go. Inventory test has been saved, and I now have it in here, okay? So that's essentially how to add inventory in QuickBooks Online. And of course, if you have any, of course, of these over here, you could go ahead and edit them just like this by hitting this edit button. It's gonna open up, and then over here, you can of course change rates. You can change things however you want. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.